Hey everyone, it's Erin with Snowberry Design Co. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video. I'll be showing you how to paint a loose peony bouquet. Peonies start out as these round balls when they're buds, so that's the shape I'm starting with for my peony. I'm keeping this pretty loose and keeping some white space in the center to show the detail of the petals. Next, I'm adding petals around the outside of the bud, and they're all going to kind of hug the ball as I go around. Once I added my first layer of petals, I'm going around again and then adding another layer of roughly petals that are slightly wider than that first layer, but they're still curving around that ball shape. Next, I'm tapping in the same color of paint to darken some areas. And my paint had already dried in the center, so I just blended it out with a clean brush. Next, I'll add another peony. I'm starting right next to my first one and then painting this exactly the same way. But when I get to my first peony, I'll just skip around the first flower and then just keep going as if I had petals there. That'll help keep the shape consistent. Because this is a bouquet, I wanted to add in some buds to add a little more interest. So rather than add petals to the start of the peony, I just kept the ball shape by itself to look like a peony bud. Now I'm adding in my stems and leaves. Each flower needs to have a stem, and I'm making sure that they all kind of end in the same general area, and I want to be careful to leave a lot of white space near the bottom of my painting to help it look more like a bouquet. For the leaves, I'm painting 3 smaller leaves that slightly overlap to create one bigger leaf, and then I repeat this a few times in the same spot to make it look like there are 2 or 3 leaves coming off of one stem. A lot of times I feel like I need to fill it in with more leaves because somehow it feels off balance without them, but for this I trusted my gut and left a lot of white space at the bottom and it still feels balanced. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post a new video. I post new watercolor videos every Monday and every Wednesday. If you try this or any of my other tutorials, please post a picture on Instagram and tag me at Snowberry Design Co. and use the hashtag #SnowberryTutorial. I would love to see your work. Tell me in the comments below which flowers you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!